Morning, wakey, exercise segment. Yeah, but just do a half an hour with a running. And guess what? Guess what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna get rid of all the negative energy. So first, morning. Yeah, first I'm start with myself. How am I there? Yeah, first I'm start with myself, cleanse myself, and now, guess what I'm gonna do? Guess what Queenie's gonna do? Riddle me diddle, riddle me that. Guess me this little land, perhaps that. Bumbleclad Queenie, their Grand Cayman, this Sunday the 8th of this month. Queenie, them a watch me. Get your voice firm to my Bumbleclad. Who wanna buy me this? Anyone who wanna spend? Does anyone? Oh my God. How much is this one, darling?
This one, may I?
Yes, please.
This is for £80.
And how much is for the top, my dear? Somebody buy me there. That one is for 85.
85, yeah.
So that's
85, this is 80.
so 2816. So that's 160.
165.
And how much for this? 200 for the. Can someone get me these clothes? I see them have the green here, the blue, sorry. I got the black, but I want the pink with the jacket. So anyone wanna treat me? A full time somebody treat me now. Bumbleclad man. Man, I am it again. The ring gone. My free single and this again. Buy me this. Or you can buy me that Amani set here. Sorry. I love it. Well, we're crazy this morning. Blessed be thy name to the nation. I just done the couple laps of exercise. And now, I go bury. I'm gonna see what I go on. May I bury bad mind. R.I.P. to bad mind. R.I.P. man mascot. Going at the wall no man, yeah. R.I.P. marriage clown. Just every minute to them drop out. R.I.P. marriage clown. Yeah man, burying a dirty blood clot. You know going on man? R.I.P. the most hateful wife heaven of the world. The most disgusting wife. R.I.P. Yeah man. Go down in the hole man. Go down in there. R.I.P. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Yeah, that is why I go on with sexy. Look good, Grand Cayman.